I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. Smart systems lead to better margins. PD Tech streamlines the admin for Kiwi tradespeople.
Access your numbers whenever, wherever via Xero'S mobile app. With your Xero account in your pocket, you can send an invoice as soon as the job is done. And by adding a Pay Now button to your invoices, it's easier for your customers to make a payment from their mobile too. Add your recent spending as you go by snapping photos of your receipts and bills, and easily reconcile your bank transactions when you're on the go. And because Xero is on the cloud, any updates you make in the Xero mobile app will flow through to your main account in real time. So whether you're a freelancer on the move or an on-site tradesperson, you can stay on top of your cash flow anywhere, anytime. For more payment tips and tricks, check out the Xero Cashflow Hub today.